Hello, I wanted to do a screenshot video on how to do a full website screenshot, and here's my notes. I'll bring my notes up so you can see them. I'm going to use Linux Mint's Webpage, and this one right here, let's hold this up where you can see it. Okay, this right here is where I found the one for Google. I've downloaded Google for this purpose to show you how to do it on Google Chrome. And once I found out how to do it on Google Chrome, I thought, well, the Firefox browser ought to do it too. And I guess I had a stupid me moment that lasted for hours, because I remember used to doing this in Windows, but it had been a long time since I had tried it, I guess. And you'd thought by now I would have done it for Linux Mint for something else, but I was trying to get the chart off of a Bible website, the chart of the Apostle Paul's life and the timelines and so forth. That was part of that, and I wanted to go on and didn't want to have to break it up. Wanted them all in one file, and you can actually do this in the web browsers. And before I learned that, I downloaded several screenshot tools and put myself through a lot. And so maybe I can save somebody else from having to do all that by showing you what I have learned. And hopefully this video does all right. The video's been a little bit jerky in sound too, and I don't know why that is, but hopefully that doesn't get too far out of hand. But here's my notes right here, and I'll see if I can show you how to do it. First in Chrome. Okay, so we'll bring up Google Chrome, and here it is. And for this purpose, like I say, we're going to go ahead and use Linux Mint's website, because they don't have ads in their website. I like websites that don't have ads and cookies, force you to take cookies. That's two things that really I don't like, and it turns me away from their website and from their product. Linux Mint don't, Mini OS don't, and I'll tell you another one that don't, and that is Manjaro Linux. If I was going to try Arch, I'd probably try Manjaro, because their website is also very clean. But with all that, getting back to the web screenshot and the full website page. Okay, we want to go to the three dots. We want to go to more tools. And then comes up another menu. So we want to go developer tools and click on that. Okay. Now then we want to go to the little three dots in this code file that come up right here. Go to that three dot, and then we want to hit the run command. Click on run command, and there's the flashing cursor. We want to type in screen. Okay, then right here where it says capture full screenshot, click on that, and you can see where it downloaded it right there. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, that should be in the downloads directory, and here it is. Here's the PNG picture file. We got the full thing. You'll need to take your scroll wheel and swell this up, and then you can glide this back and forth. You see we got the whole thing from top clear to the bottom, so that is really neat. Okay, so I first learned this in Google. We're going to go ahead and delete this right here, get ready for the next one. Like I say, I first learned this in Google right here. I searched the web and the internet trying to figure out how to do this, and right here is the place where I found out how to do it, if you want to look that up. But anyway, we're going to close this up, and we're going to learn how to do it in Firefox. Okay, here's our Firefox browser. And now this is really easy. If you right click and you choose take a screenshot, you can actually mark off here what you want to what you want to copy. But that's not the one that I like to do. The one that I like to do, let's go ahead and bring up our Linux Mint website. So we'll be ready when we do this. Let's go to the 3-line menu, what they call the hamburger menu. Some folks do. Now I'm thinking, well, they probably have a more tools than theirs. And sure enough, here's a more tools. And we also have web developer tools, just like in Chrome. So you click on that. Okay, and now we need to click on settings. Okay. Hopefully I can find that. Vector console debugger. Okay, let's try that again. Let's exit out of it because I'm missing something. Here's a little 3 dot. Let's hit this one. Here it is, settings. Hit this little 3 dots there and hit settings. Okay, and then go down here and click this one here. If I can swallow it up for you or not. Yep, yeah, I can. Right here, click this one. Take a screenshot of the entire page. And when you do that, your camera appears here in this little divided icon here. But see, when you unclick that, the camera disappears. Beside that, when you choose this, take a screenshot of the entire page, then you can just hit that and it'll do it. You see that little blink right there? And this shows you right here that it's been saved. Let's go take a look at it. Hopefully it did. And yay, here it is. And so we'll scroll this big. And then we'll take it back and forth. We'll take it to the top. And we'll take it to the bottom. This is a real clean website, and I really appreciate Linux Mint keeping a clean website. No notice of cookies, no ads, and this is the way I think a website ought to be. And I'm much more willing to donate to a group that keeps a website like this over another one. But anyhow, you can see how to do that, and we're going to go ahead and delete this. And so there you have it. That's how you do a full screenshot of a website in Linux. And so hopefully that saves you some time and some headache. Like I say, it was real obvious here. If you wanted to just mark it off, you can just right click that and take a screenshot and then mark off what you want. But I like the other one, and when I do, let's say when I do the other one, let's just mark one here off real quick for fun of it, and download it, and see what I do once I'm over here. Let's say I'll just want to right click and put open with one of my paint programs like Color Paint. See, and then I can come over here and I can highlight what I want to keep, and that's what I do. And then if there's advertisements or anything I want to block out, I can just block them out. So yeah, okay, I've took enough of your time. We're going to delete this file just to clean up my downloads directory there. And thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope this was some help to you.